Ready to turn your car into a tech-savvy command center? Whether you're cruising highways or jamming to tunes, having a phone that stays powered and a dash cam that records every move is a game changer. In this video, I'm breaking down two must-have car accessories: a 15W wireless charger phone mount and a 4K dual dash cam. That'll keep your phone alive and your drive safe. Stick around. The second one blew me away. Product Review 1. CHgeek 15W wireless car charger phone holder mount. What is a versatile auto-clamping wireless charger and phone holder mount for your car dashboard, windshield, or air vent. Perfect for iPhone, Samsung Galaxy, Google Pixel, and other Qi-enabled phones. Pros: supports 15W fast wireless charging, ideal for modern smartphones. Auto-clamping arms make mounting your phone easier and safer, one-handed, hands-free, while driving. Flexible mounting options, dashboard, windshield, vent, works for most vehicle types. Cons: fast charging works best when paired with QC 3.0 adapter/proper car charger. Not always included. Mount stability can vary. Suction cups or vent clips may sometimes feel less secure on bumpy roads. Customer feedback: some reviewers praise its convenience. Auto clamp feature makes it quick and easy to pop the phone in and drive off. Others warn that suction or vent feel can weaken, causing the holder to slip on rough rides. Who this is for: if you drive daily, long commutes, ride shares, or road trips, and hate fumbling with cables or worrying about battery drain, this Charger Plus mount is a simple, practical upgrade. Product Review 2. TR-Insole 4K plus 4K dash cam front and rear with 128GB card included. What it is: a dual-channel dash cam recording in 4K front and 4K rear video. Comes with free 128GB micro SD, built-in GPS and G sensor, 170 degrees wide-angle lens, 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi, night vision, loop recording, and 24-hour parking monitoring. A full car video surveillance solution. Pros: dual 4K front plus 4K rear recording ensures crystal clear video. Great for capturing license plates or incidents for both angles. Built-in GPS logs driving routes, speed, and location. Useful for insurance claims or evidence if anything happens. Free 128GB card included. You can start recording right out of the box. Supports up to 512GB for long drives or frequent use. Loop recording plus G-sensor plus parking mode. Automatically locks important clips, e.g. collisions, and monitors even when parked. Cons: for 24-hour parking mode, some setups may require an additional hardwire kit, not always included. As with many dash cams, installation might feel a bit more involved compared to a simple charger or mount. You need correct positioning for front and rear cameras. Customer feedback: the dash cam enjoys high satisfaction. On a recent review analysis, it scored 4.8 to 5 across 900 reviews. Users highlight video quality, easy installation, and reliability. People appreciated the clear front and back 4K video and that it works well day or night with night vision and free memory card. Who this is for: if you care about safety, want evidence in case of accidents or theft, or just like having peace of mind while driving, everyday commutes, or long road trips. This dash cam is a great investment. Why you should consider buying these: the wireless charger makes driving safer and more convenient. No fumbling with cables, no worrying about battery drain. Just mount, drive, focus. The dual dash cam gives you real evidence and security. Car accidents, hit and runs, theft. Recording front and rear footage plus GPS data protects you. Together, they turn your car into a smart driving environment. Power plus safety plus convenience. Especially useful for daily commuters, parents driving kids, rideshare drivers, or long-distance travelers. If you like this video and want more awesome car accessories reviews that actually save you time and money, hit that subscribe button now and ring the bell. You won't want to miss what I've got coming next.